Hello and welcome to today's guided meditation. Today we are doing a conscious clearing of our energetic, mental, and emotional bodies. There will be a mixture of meditative sounds and pure tone binaural beats in the background. The binaural beats are at a frequency that will be slightly louder than the meditative music. If you bring yourself to focus simply on my voice and your breath, the binaural beats will fade to the background, doing their job, clearing your energy fields and mental energies, opening and activating your emotional energies so that as you arise from this meditation, you will do so with a deep clearing and opening present. Today, as we do this complete body scan, I ask you to either sit in easy pose with your spine and neck aligned and erect, or lie down straight and flat, being present and conscious the entire time. I find doing this on a yoga mat rather than in bed if you're lying down is more beneficial to the mind and body. Whatever you choose, get into your position now. Throughout this meditation, you will be guided to tune inward. And after you're guided to tune inward, there will be moments where my voice stops and only the sound remains. In those moments, I ask you to be mindful of the emotions, the energies, and the knowings coming up, as that is an important part of today's conscious meditation. Closing your eyes now, becoming still and present in the body, allowing any thoughts in the mind to simply dissolve, paying them no attention as you breathe in through your nose, holding at the top, and slowly exhale out your mouth. Again, in through your nose, holding at the top, with a slow and steady exhale out your mouth. Again, in through your nose, holding at the top, exhaling consciously out your mouth. Staying in conscious and mindful breath as you sink into this present moment. Every breath deepening your relaxation. Every breath deepening your meditative state. As you breathe in all of your knowing and exhale all that no longer serves you, remaining conscious and present. Focusing on your breath, imagining yourself walking down a beautiful white, slightly iridescent bridge. This bridge is walking through vast amounts of space in the cosmos. Nothing but darkness on either side of you. As you walk down this glowing bridge, you are filled with excitement and a deep inner knowing. Stepping forward, a vibrant red energy swirls around you, grounding you into the earth, creating structure, safety, stability. This red energy anchors you deep into your earth body, connecting you to your natural primal roots, allowing you to find safety within. Breathing deep, continuing to walk down the iridescent bridge. A vibrant orange now swirls around you, awakening and activating your divine feminine as you are filled with vital life force energy. This orange energy fills your pelvic bowl, opening and expanding your space of creation, allowing you to be sustained and in deep surrender. Still grounded into the earth, full of self. Now an electric yellow energy swirls through your field, opening and activating your divine masculine, allowing you to feel your autonomy and sovereignty here on earth. A drive for life is activated, an internal willpower like never before. As your confidence soars, you feel structured and stable. Your fire is burning brightly, still full of self and grounded into the earth. Now, a beautiful green energy wraps itself around you, opening you to divine, unconditional love for yourself and for the world, melting into oneness for it all, as you're able to receive and give freely and equally, knowing that just as you breathe, inhaling and exhaling, so is the give and take of life. One cannot come without the other. Breathing deep into this ever-loving green energy, still fueled by your power, your deep inner fire, your feminine awakened, grounded into the earth. A bright blue energy now swirls through you, opening and activating your throat chakra as your soul essence is set free. You're now able to speak your truth clearly, vibrantly, without all of the labels of society, without the fear of rejection. You are free to be your authentic soul self. As you breathe in this luscious, bright blue energy, your heart still wide open, your inner fire burning bright, full of that divine feminine energy, grounded deep into the earth. An indigo blue now washes over you, opening and activating your third eye. Every sense is now heightened. You can see beyond the veil. You know, you feel, you sense, you hear with pristine detail. Every puzzle piece of your current life and life's past, present, and future come into place, making a beautiful masterpiece that makes complete sense for you now. Still in expression of your authentic truth, open to love, your fire burning brightly, your divine feminine active and full, grounded into the earth, as a bright violet energy now pours down through your crown, awakening you to the divinity that you are, feeling your all-knowing God body present with you now, completely aligned, plugged into the cosmos, rooted deep into the earth, as a bright white pole of light shoots down from your head to your toes, aligning all of your energy centers perfectly in harmony, fully open and active. And as the colors fade and you find yourself back on the iridescent path, a door now appears at the end of the bridge. You walk into this door, revealing a bright white room. At the center of this room is a beautiful bed with luscious, comfortable linens, all of your favorite smells, all of your favorite senses activated. And as you make your way towards this bed, a guide joins you. This guide lets you know that as you lie down, scanning your physical, mental, and emotional bodies, all that can be released today will be as you bring intention and awareness to each part of you. You make your way into the bed, your guide covering you with the comfortable linens. And as your guide places their hands on your heart center, as you deepen into this experience, begin to scan your physical body from head to toe, breath to bone, every organ, your heart, your lungs, your abdomen, your toes, your fingers, your eyeballs, your tongue, your ears, every physical aspect of you. Allow yourself to scan it now, noticing any darker, heavier, stagnant energies that may be present, and simply bring awareness to them as you complete this scan. And as you complete the body scan, now begin to examine your mental energies, allowing the energies of your mind and thoughts to become apparent, and scanning them for any heavy, stagnant clouds of energy, simply bringing awareness to anything that is blocked. And now scanning your emotional body for any stuck or trapped emotions, anything heavier that is present in your emotional body now. Simply bring awareness to them. And now that your scans are complete, your guide flushes your body, your mind, and your emotional body with a powerful white light. Any stuck emotions, thoughts, or physical blockages that you became aware of will be cleansed from your system now. Allow them to dissolve and leave you as this bright white energy flushes your system. Placing their hands back on your chest, filling you with beautiful pink and green healing energy. Your guide thanks you for allowing them to facilitate this clearing today. As you are recharged and rejuvenated, sitting back up, thank your guide for their presence today as they wrap you in a beautiful protective cloak that will stay with you, keeping you clear, fully in your power and energy for the days to come. As you stand, saying goodbye to your guide, walking over to the door from which you came. As you step out of the beautiful white room back onto the iridescent bridge, you feel lighter, more empowered, more fully yourself, more active in your remembering. Every step you take now brings you back into the present moment. 5, as you begin to notice your present physical reality. 4, feeling the weight of yourself on the surface beneath you. Big, deep breath. 3, beginning to integrate the healing and cleansing that occurred today. 2, wiggling your fingers and toes. 1, eyes wide open, fully conscious. Big, deep breath. Remembering to drink plenty of water. Taking the time to acknowledge the healing and clearing that you did today. Honoring yourself for investing time back into your own healing. Your session is complete. Thank you.